Hello everyone, good morning. This is me Avishka. Let's start with today's bulletin. Adobe to add AI agents to Photoshop and Premiere Pro. Canva introduces Visual Suite 2.0 with AI powered tools. iQOO Z10 series launches in India with powerful features. Apple airlifts iPhones from India to beat US tariffs. OpenAI brings better memory to ChatGPT Plus and Pro users. Microsoft previews AI recall features for Copilot Plus PCs. Instagram tests logged reel feature with secret codes. In yesterday's quiz, we asked you what is the primary function of a router, and the answer is connecting devices. Now it's time for our daily tech quiz. Yesterday's question: what is the meaning of open source? Confident you got the answer? Drop your guess in the comments below and tune in to tomorrow's news bulletin to find out if you have nailed it. Stay tuned. Let's begin with the first news. Adobe is gearing up to revolutionize its creative suite with AI agents in Photoshop and Premiere Pro. These digital assistants will help users perform tasks like editing images, organizing projects, and offering improvement suggestions, all with simple voice or text commands. Instead of clicking through menus, users can now say things like make the background blurrier, and the AI will do it. Adobe is also introducing multi-step tasks where the AI will handle a series of instructions on its own. These updates are set to launch in beta later this year. The AI agent will run on Adobe Firefly, the company's responsible AI tool for safe image generation. This upgrade is designed to make creativity more accessible, especially for beginners. Adobe's move is part of a larger trend of integrating intelligent automation into creative workflows. By making the software more intuitive and faster, Adobe is making sure its users, Novice and Pro, can focus more on creativity and lesser on technical barriers. Next up, we have Canva, which has launched Visual Suite 2.0, an upgraded version of its design platform filled with AI features. The update helps users design faster, smarter, and with more creativity, even if they lack design skills. A standard addition is AI coding, where users can build websites or digital tools by simply typing or speaking what they want. Canva has also introduced voice-enabled commands and improved tools for content generation, auto layouts, and smart suggestions for fonts, images, and colors. This makes the platform ideal for creators, marketers, and students, and even small businesses. The goal is to simplify design tasks while boosting output quality. Visual Suite 2.0 positions Canva as a strong competitor to tools like Adobe Express and Microsoft Designer. By combining ease of use with advanced features, Canva aims to become the go-to all-in-one design platform for users worldwide. Whether you are creating a social media post or a pitch deck, Canva now helps it get done more efficiently than ever. Next up, we have iQOO, which has officially introduced the Z10 series in India, blending high performance with affordability. The lineup introduces two models, Z10 and Z10X, designed for users who enjoy gaming, photography, and multitasking. Powered by MediaTek Dimensity chipset, the phone features large 6.72-inch FHD Plus displays with 120Hz refresh rate, making them ideal for smooth scrolling and gameplay. The Z10 also comes with 5000 mAh battery that supports 44-watt fast charging, ensuring users to stay powered throughout the day. A 50MP main camera on the rear enhances the photography experience even in low-light settings. Both devices run on Android 14 with iQOO's FunTouch OS for a user-friendly interface. Starting at Rs 14,599, with the Z10 series delivers premium specs at mid-range. Available via Amazon India and iQOO's official website, the phones are expected to perform well in the competitive smartphone market. With this release, iQOO is targeting value seekers who do not want to compromise on performance or on the design. Then we have Apple, which has taken a major step by airlifting over 600 tons of iPhones from India to the US, aiming to sidestep high tariffs on products made in China. With ongoing trade tensions and import taxes from the Trump-era policies, Apple is actively shifting its supply chain. India has now become a key player in Apple's global manufacturing strategy, and companies like Foxconn and Pegatron assembling iPhones locally. The recent airlifts reflect Apple's urgency in adapting to geopolitical changes and ensuring timely product delivery. Though airlifting is more expensive than sea transport, it allows Apple to avoid tariffs and meet demands quickly. The move signals India's growing importance in electronics manufacturing and showcases Apple's confidence in the company's infrastructure. Experts see that this shift as a sign that India could soon become a major hub for tech manufacturing. For Apple, it's not just about saving cost, it's about long-term global strategy and reducing their dependency on China. Now moving ahead with OpenAI, which has rolled out an enhanced memory feature for ChatGPT available to Plus and Pro users. This update allows ChatGPT to remember user details like your name, writing preferences, or frequently asked topics across their multiple chats. The goal is to make interactions more personalized and helpful over the time. Now, memory will be turned on by default by mid-2024 and users will be notified beforehand. You can also view, edit or delete what ChatGPT remembers through settings and turn memory off completely if preferred. The feature aims to streamline repetitive tasks, making the chatbot more effective for writing, planning, or even casual conversations. It's part of OpenAI's broader vision to turn ChatGPT into a smarter long-term digital assistant. While currently available to paid users, the company plans to roll it out more widely later. With better memory, ChatGPT won't just respond, it'll actually adapt to you, offering a more tailored and consistent experience over time. Then we have Microsoft, which is introducing an AI-powered feature called Recall for its upcoming Copilot Plus PCs. Now, the feature acts like a digital memory, helping users find anything they've seen or done on their computers, including websites or conversations. Recall works by securely capturing screenshots and activity logs, all stored locally on the device, not on the cloud, to ensure privacy. Users will have full control over what is stored and what can be deleted anytime. For example, if you viewed a document or website last week but forgot the name, Recall can help retrieve it instantly. This tool is especially helpful for multitaskers or people managing large amounts of information. Scheduled to launch with select Copilot Plus PCs this year, Recall is part of Microsoft's vision of creating a truly helpful AI assistant. By improving productivity and reducing the time spent searching for past activities, Microsoft aims to change how users interact with their PCs. Last but not the least, Instagram is testing a new feature called Logged Reels that allows creators to share exclusive content accessible only through a secret code. The feature is designed to help creators monetize their work and control who can see their content. For example, a fitness coach might share a special workout reel that only paying clients can unlock with a code. This could also be used for giveaways, fan rewards, or private content drops. Although still in the testing phase, Logged Reels show Instagram's growing focus on creator-first tools. The platform hasn't revealed an official release date, but the idea is to give users more ways to engage with followers and generate their income. Creators will be able to choose who sees what without relying on external apps or platforms. As Instagram evolves from a photo-sharing app into a creator economy hub, features like Logged Reels highlight its ambition to stay ahead in the content game. This was it for today's news. For more such tech updates, make sure you stay tuned to IT Voice.